every great achievement starts with a single, bold vision. As we open the doors to this architectural masterpiece, don't just look at the grand proportions. Look at the clarity of purpose they represent. This estate wasn't built by chance. It was sculpted by years of discipline and an uncompromising standard of excellence. Let these walls remind you that your biggest dreams are not just fantasies. They are blueprints waiting for your commitment to bring them to life. There is a specific language spoken by high-end design. It's the language of focus. Every curated corner and every expansive view is a reward for the risks taken and the hurdles overcome. This lifestyle is the harvest of a season of hard work that most people aren't willing to endure. It's a testament to the fact that when you invest in your craft and your mindset, the world eventually reflects that value back to you in the form of extraordinary surroundings. But let us look deeper. Beyond the marble and the glass, the true essence of luxury is actually invisible. You can have the most expensive view in the world, but if you don't have peace within, the walls will always feel empty. True luxury is the ability to breathe deeply, to feel safe, and to be present. It's not about how many rooms you have, but about how much life and love you breathe into the rooms you currently occupy. This is where the magic happens. You don't have to wait for the mansion to live a luxurious life. Luxury is the intentionality you bring to your current space. It's the way you organize your desk, the quality of the light you let in, and the pride you take in your surroundings, no matter their size. When you treat your current home with the respect of a palace, you are training your soul to handle the abundance that is coming your way. Your happiness is a choice you make today, not a destination you reach tomorrow. As we conclude this tour, take this inspiration with you. Work with the heart of a lion to build your empire, but keep the soul of a poet to enjoy the simple beauty already surrounding you. Your dream home is being built twice. First in your mind, then in your reality. Tell us in the comments, what is one dream feature you are working toward this year? Subscribe to Luxury House to dream to stay on the path of excellence. Build your life, find your peace, and keep dreaming.